Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to download and install the updated Pluto TV application to your FireStick device. This is going to be a full guide video, so I will highly recommend you watch right up to the end. And as usual, if you find the video helpful, please do well to encourage us by dropping a like or a subscribe so that we'll be able to create more videos like this for you. So that's it, let's get started. As I said, I want to show you how to install the updated version of the Pluto TV application. What I mean is that if the Pluto TV application is updated, then you'll be able to get the latest version. And this is going to work on any Fire Stick device that allows side loading. So I am going to show you every single step you need to follow. But the very first thing you need to do on your Fire TV device is to make sure that your Fire TV allows you to install applications from unknown sources. As you can clearly see my screen here, here's my Fire TV stick. So we are going to turn on the option that allows Fire TV to install applications from unknown sources. Now, the reason I'm doing this is because by default, your Fire TV stick doesn't allow you to install applications from unknown sources. So if you have that option turned on, they can forward, or you can skip this part. But if not, let me show you how to do that. So go back to your settings, here mine over here, come down to the name of my Fire TV, and you see this option that says developer options. If you see it on yours, then you're already a step ahead. But if not, come to the about section, click on it. What you are going to do is that you're going to click on your Fire TV stick 4 times till there's a pop-up below that says no need, you're already a developer. So let me do that. I click 4 times or 3 times till you see this pop-up that says no need, you are already a developer. Once that pops on, then the developer option is going to come up. So return to the developer option and click on the second option, which is what we are interested in, add from unknown sources. Once this is turned on, this is going to allow our Fire Stick to install applications from unknown sources. So please make sure that yours is turned on. If it's not, mine is already turned on, so no need to turn it off again. So once that is done, return home, and then your Fire TV stick will be able to install applications from unknown sources. So the next step is what we are going to be doing to install the Pluto TV application. And before I go ahead, I just want to say that Pluto TV is not available in every country. That's why some of you will need to install the updated or latest version, maybe if you're not in the US or something like me. So what you need to know is that if you want Pluto to work wherever you are, you will need a VPN. So you need to use a VPN to use the application. But anyway, I am showing you how to install it. So the first thing you need to do is to go over to downloader and click on go over to search to install downloader. Click on D, and you are going to search for the download application. We are going to need it. So click downloader, and the application is going to be installed or downloaded to your Fire TV stick. It doesn't take a while depending on your internet speed. Mine isn't the best, I admit, but if you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, you will encourage me to get it starting. So here's the application. The reason why installing downloader is because we need downloader to install another app that we will be using to install the Pluto TV application. This method I want to show you, even though it's long, but if you watch this, if you understand this method, then you will never have to worry about installing Pluto TV again, because anytime yours runs out of outdated, all you need to do is just to come back to this video and follow what I'm showing you, and you'll get the updated version. That's why I prefer this method to installing the Pluto TV application. So that's it, the application is almost done downloading. Let's just wait for it to completely download, and then I'm going to launch it on my Fire TV device. Please, and I repeat, please use a VPN. If you are not in a country that supports this application and you install it on your app, you won't, on your Fire TV, you won't be able to use it, because you will need an application or use a VPN. You need to use a VPN to use the Pluto TV application. So that's why I keep on recommending you to use a VPN. So once the application launches, just go ahead and open it, and this is how it will look like for your very first time. Click on allow access, and then we are going to type in a code to install the Unlinked application. We need the Unlinked application to install the Pluto TV app. So go ahead and type in this code 10381 or 1381 and click on done. Once you click done, click go, and then click on, just wait for on your screen and see how the application is going to be redirected and downloaded to your Fire Stick. So you don't have to do anything at this moment, just wait for the application to download, and then we'll install it to our Fire TV. So this is the Unlinked application. I've used this code for over 18 months and it always works. So click install and wait for the application to be installed to your Fire Stick, and then we are going to use it. So click done, delete the app file from your Fire TV stick. So click delete, and then you can return home. As you return home, we are going to go over to our library or our app library where the Unlinked application has been installed. So here's it over here. Click on it and launch it. We need the Unlinked application because that's what we're going to use to install the Pluto TV application. So the library we are going to be using here is the FireStick library. So there are many other libraries, but this is the one I love using for Fire TV. So just come over here and type in FireStick. Please type correctly. I was about typing something different. So it is FireStick. It is one word, no two words. It is one word. And then click on next, and then go ahead and click enter. So there's no spacing at the end, neither is there spacing at the beginning. So here's the library. It's created by someone on YouTube. I'm not the owner of this. So as you go over here, I'm going to blur some of this, but don't worry, I'll show you what we're supposed to do. So we're going to go over to this option that says free apps, and if you go over to free apps, just browse to the right and you see Pluto TV over here. So as you can see, this application was updated. Just click on download and then you'll start downloading. As you can see on my screen right now, it says the last time it was updated was January 28, 2026. That's about 2 weeks ago. So this app is the latest version. If there's any new version, it is going to be updated here, and that's why I recommend this method, because anytime you come over here, you will always find the latest version of this application. So go ahead and click on install, and here's the install button, and the application is going to be installed to your Fire Stick just like that. So this is the Pluto TV app that we've installed, and this is the latest version. Click done, and then you can return home where you're going to see the application in your app library. So you go over to my app library. Here's mine over here. Browse to the bottom, just give it a couple of seconds and the application is going to appear. Here is it. Okay, here's it, and that's the application. As I said, if you're not in the US or in a country that supports the application, you will need a VPN to fully use the application. Like for instance, my VPN is not turned on. That's why if I click on the application and launch it, it's going to tell me that it's not available in my country at the moment. That's why you need a VPN. So anyway, here's the application, and that's how to install the latest version of it to your Fire Stick. If you find the video helpful, please do well to subscribe and also drop a like or a comment. Let me know if this perfectly worked for you. If it did not, I'll do my best to find out a solution for you. So see you in the next video, and make sure to always come back for more videos.